Okay, let's take a look at activity 3 for lesson 3. So it says place squares in the corner. A big part of using gamelab is understanding the position. Remember when you can always turn on the grid, which is right down here, and you always have this show me where here that they show you as well. You can hover with the mouse to help find the X and Y position you want. So it says do this. This is always the key part of the lesson. It says place 2 rectangles exactly in the corners of the screen, just like the picture. You will need to drag out a second rectangle block. Okay, so I had already dragged that out there, but you can just drag this right here. And then what we want is one here and one up here. All right, so our first rectangle that we're going to place is actually the 0, 0 location. And actually, let's just run this a minute and we'll see they're right there right now. If we do 0 and 0 for these 2 locations, that'll give us our first square. And now what we want to do, or rectangle, and now what we want to do is place the second one down here, which we already did at the previous lesson in this activity 2. So let's go ahead and do 350 and 350. And then if we run that, that should place them in those 2 locations. And so that's how you do that, is when you want to place a rectangle, you just drag it out from the drawing, and then you go ahead and pick the location of where you want that. There are other options for you later on, but we'll discuss those later when we get to those parts of the lessons. But that's how you make a rectangle and where you place it at. All right, good luck with your coding. Hope this helps you.